Using this schematic, this connection is in place. I've got two, a bottom ring and a top ring. That's what it looks like. 17 inches in diameter, I believe, somewhere close. So I have taken the tank circuit and put antennas on each side, on each end, okay? And the scope is just laid 90 degrees across the wire. So with this connection made, I get this, which is normal. Let the cat, there you go. Okay, that's normal. That's what's coming from this point right there. Direct connection to the conductors. This guy here shows that signal. Lower millivolts, but as you can see, the probe is just laid there, and this is what I get. And this is with a resonant tank setup. So now what I do is I break this connection. So you see the signal generator goes around through here, just through the inductor, up to the 12-volt line. So that's what we'll do right now. And that's this lead right here. This gets pretty cool. So naturally I lose resonance. You can see that there's the very short spikes. Come on. With FET ringing, very high frequency. And that same waveform shows up over here. And actually the lead's right, the scope probe is right there. So I'm just looking at 204 millivolts. So what I do is I take this probe and I move it away. And you can see as I move it away, move it away, move it away, the spikes are they're still there. And they are sitting at a 70 millivolt level. And I am the full length away of about 3.5 feet. So as I bring this scope probe in, you can see it grow. So these spikes are way out here. So this is like a pretty close to an 8-foot ball of high frequency energy. My pulses, you can't see them, but they're down here. They're right there. 5-volt pulses with 4% duty cycle. And let's see, I could do the timing on it, but that's not necessary. It's pretty fast. And I am running at 96.5 hertz. So I've got low frequency at a 3.5 foot distance. So I've got an oscillating sphere here going on. And in this I've got, see, the top ring and the bottom ring, and there's single runs of lamp wire. That's the dog with his kick dingling. So anyway, that's what I have now. But when I put this connection back on, of course I get the tank circuits all set up again, and I get resonance. So naturally, resonance shows up on the scope. It's confused. That's very, oh, not yet. Wrong connection. There. Let's force the camera. There you go. Resonance is back. And it shows up over on the big scope on that 90-degree lead connection. And it's 204 millivolts. And this guy here is very short. Not as long. It's only a couple inches. So the other sharp spikes really project out into space. That's all.